Oh. Yuck. So I'm Genevieve Taylor and this is Bristol Fire School. And if you have ever opened your barbecue and it looks like this, really horrible basically, do not panic. It's actually one of the easiest problems to fix. The first thing to do is dissect your barbecue. Get out all those mouldy grill trays. Get out that mouldy heat deflector plate. Set it to one side for a second. Oh dearie me, what a mess. Gonna get this sorted out real quick. Actually, underneath that horror of the heat deflector and the grill plates, things don't look too bad. They could be a lot worse. So this is all the charcoal I've got left from whatever my previous cook was. I can't remember what it was, but it was for sure a good few weeks ago. And then add charcoal. The solution to cleaning your barbecue isn't chemicals, it's fire. So we light the fire. So why does your barbecue get like this? It's not necessarily because it's particularly dirty, but there are probably tiny traces of food on there. You probably didn't scrub it down and clean it when you finished cooking because maybe you were having a little bit too much fun at your barbecue party. Maybe you've had it encased in a cover. I'm not a big fan of covers on barbecues because they can make things more damp and the air less readily available to circulate. So damp conditions, closed vents, a lot of old kind of ash in the bottom holding moisture, tiny traces of food. These all add up to what can look like a really alarmingly dirty, disgusting barbecue. But a mouldy barbecue isn't necessarily a dirty barbecue. It's usually just a damp barbecue. The instinct is often to start scrubbing. Don't let the fire do the hard work. Charcoal burns at over 500 degrees Celsius. Nothing survives that. Heat is the best steriliser on the planet. No specialist spray cleaner comes close. People often think you need chemicals to deal with mould and bacteria, but you don't. Heat is by far the best steriliser. So my Kamado here is running at nearly 300 Celsius now. It took kind of half an hour or so to get there. Autoclaves in laboratories run at something like 120 Celsius, so 250, 300 is plenty hot enough to kill any bugs. And what I'm going to do now is get in there and brush the evidence away. Those bugs are already dead. I'm just going to now clean off any residue. To stop the mould coming back, really, a bit of ventilation is what they need. Regular use is ideal. Cleaning them after you've used them is probably the ideal scenario. But you know, we're often having fun when we're barbecuing. We might have had a few beers, whatever. Probably the last thing most of us want to do when we're at the end of our barbecue party is clean it. So more often than not, this is the stage I clean my barbecue. When I go to use it again, that is one very clean, exceptionally hot Kamado. So it's worth mentioning there have been a few very, very rare incidences of people getting into problems with wire brushes, with wires pinging off and going on the grill bars and being forgotten about and then being ingested. Super, super rare, but my best advice to you is be sensible. I buy a new good quality brush every spring. I visually check it. I make sure it's not falling apart. When I'm brushing my grill bars, I would then have a visual look at those grill bars before food goes anywhere near it. I've never had any problems. It's just about being sensible, common sense and looking. So that's the inside. Now the outside, I just treat exactly like I treat any bit of kit in my kitchen. So quick bit of anti-bac spray and some warm soapy water. Genuinely, that's it. You do not need any special, magical, bespoke chemicals to clean your barbecue. Heat for the inside, anti-bac and soap for the outside. Very easy. I probably deep clean mine like that every month or two, depending on the amount of use, depending on the amount of horrors on the inside. But that is all I do to my barbecue. Get the job done, then you can start cooking. Really, the best cleaning method for your barbecue is the thing that your barbecue was invented to do. Get hot.